message. For the following counties, in Ohio, Hancock, Ottawa and Sandusky. Winter storm warning in effect from 7 p.m. Saturday to 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Monday. What? Heavy snow expected. Total snow accumulations between 4 and 8 inches. Where? Hancock, Ottawa, and Sandusky counties. When? From 7 p.m. Saturday to 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Monday. Impacts. Travel will be very difficult at times due to slippery road conditions and poor visibility. The hazardous conditions should impact the Monday morning commute. Additional details: snow will spread into the region Saturday night and peak in intensity during the day Sunday. The snow will gradually taper off late Sunday night into Monday. Sub-zero wind chills are expected Saturday night into Sunday morning, and again Sunday night into Monday morning. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food, and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency. The Ohio Department of Transportation and Ohio Turnpike and Infrastructure Commission strongly encourage motorists to heed all travel restrictions and delay unnecessary travel. Visit www.ohgo.com for the latest travel, roadway, and traffic conditions.